I'm sure by now you've read of the importance of maintaining a healthy gut biome. You know, 50 to 100 trillion bacteria reside in each and every one of us. Most of these are beneficial bacteria that are serving to keep us healthy. In fact, much of our health depends on the balance between these good bacteria and the harmful ones trying to crowd them out. Of course, making matters worse, your gut is under siege every day. Regular daily occurrences like stress, chemically processed and artificially preserved foods, illnesses, antibiotics, they can all wreak havoc on the beneficial bacteria that help us remain healthy. Luckily, we've perfected the ultimate defense for your microbiome to help combat these health detractors, good old-fashioned probiotics. The primary objective here is achieving optimal gut health, which is why Primal Probiotics is packed with probiotic strains which help restore healthy gut flora and which we tend to lose in this flurry of modern day living. By promoting prolific but sustainable amounts of beneficial intestinal flora, this supplement supports your immune system and helps create a powerful barrier against modern diseases and health conditions. Of course, probiotics are worthless if they can't make it to their intended target. That's why this formula is composed of several spore-forming versions designed to survive the stomach's harsh environment and remain viable in the lower parts of the small intestines. And there's a ton of them too. Billions of microbes from each of these strains. Each Primal Probiotic capsule contains over 10 billion total microbes, making this supplement as much as 10 times as potent as its typical store-bought competitor. Sealed in specially designed capsules that survive the trip through your stomach acid and arrive safely where they have the greatest effect in the digestive tract, these little microorganisms help mimic the healthy soil-based bacteria our ancestors once accessed with ease all day and every day. It doesn't get any more primal than that.